How is climate change affecting Arctic sea ice? Have you ever wondered how climate change is impacting the Arctic sea ice? It's a pressing issue that affects not only the environment but also the communities living in these polar regions. Let's break it down. Climate change is leading to a noticeable decline in Arctic sea ice. This decline is evident in both the extent and thickness of the ice. Over the last few decades, global temperatures have risen, resulting in less sea ice forming during the cold months and more melting during the warmer months. Typically, Arctic sea ice reaches its maximum extent in late winter, around March. In recent years, we have seen record low maximum sea ice extents. For example, in 2025, the maximum extent was about 14.33 million square kilometers. This is approximately 1.31 million square kilometers below the average maximum extent from 1981 to 2010. Since 1979, the winter maximum ice extent has been declining at a rate of about 2.5% per decade. This means that even during the coldest time of the year, when temperatures are well below freezing, less ice is forming compared to previous decades. The situation is even more alarming during the summer months. The summer minimum extent of sea ice, usually measured in September, is shrinking at a rate of about 12.1% per decade. This rapid decline is due to rising summer temperatures in the Arctic, which cause more ice to melt. One of the most concerning aspects is the loss of multi-year ice. This type of ice survives through multiple summers and is thicker and more resilient. With less multi-year ice, the Arctic sea ice pack becomes thinner and more vulnerable to melting. The reduction in sea ice has significant effects on the Arctic environment and its communities. Sea ice plays a vital role in maintaining the local climate by reflecting sunlight. As ice diminishes, darker ocean water absorbs more heat, which accelerates warming in a feedback loop. This warming threatens the habitat of polar species such as seals, polar bears, and walruses. These animals relying on sea ice for breeding, hunting, and resting. For human communities in the Arctic, changes in sea ice affect traditional ways of life. Hunting and travel across the ice become more dangerous and unpredictable with thinner and less extensive ice. Additionally, the loss of sea ice opens new areas for shipping and resource extraction. While this can bring economic opportunities, it also poses environmental risks. In summary, climate change is causing Arctic sea ice to shrink in both extent and thickness. The most dramatic losses occur during the summer melt season. This ongoing change disrupts the natural balance of the Arctic environment and poses challenges for both wildlife and human populations living in these polar regions.